Hello my awesome friends! Today, as requested, I will show you an eBay product research method focused on strategies for beginners using this amazing tool called the Turbo Scanner. So let's go. The strategies for beginners is to list 300 items per month, which is 10 per day. And you may ask, why? Well, if you list too many items in a short period of time, it will call eBay's attention. It will draw eBay's attention to you, and it can lead to account suspension, to low sales, and a low sell-through rate. With this in mind, you will want to focus on two types of products that we have mentioned already here in the video series, but we'll do it again just for you. The first is traffic products, which are usually low-priced products, and they have been used to generate hype of sales and help you boost your account ranking. And the second one is the bread and butter, which are products usually ranging from $20 to $50, and these products should be the majority of the products you have in your store because they will generate most of the profit. Okay, so let's jump into my screen. Computer time! Let's go! Alright my friends, so let's run the first scan here in Turbo Scanner with Amazon as a supplier. And let's go over the filters to use as a beginner. Just remember that if you don't want to use a filter, you can just leave it empty, no problem. So the categories to exclude here, you would select all. You would exclude as a beginner, you would exclude Amazon devices, books, CDs, and vinyl right here. And right here, where is it? Apple products, right here, Apple products, okay? And then you save. And then you move to the next filter. Because you only need 10 items per day, you can be more strict on the reviews and rating criteria. In review count, right here, you can place 10 to 100, for example. Minimum 10 to 100, or you can just leave it empty. And the average rating, I would place 4, I'll turn it on, and I will place 4 to 5, so 4 plus. When looking for Amazon products with high ratings, we are sure that we're selling products that customers on Amazon are happy with. So probably the customers on eBay will be happy as well. And also high rating decreases issues like returns, negative feedback. However, using such high rating like this can decrease dramatically the amount of items that come up in the result of the Turbo Scanner. But then let's say you place 4 plus here, right? And you don't get enough items in the results. So what should you do? You can lower the average rating here, like 3, for example. But it's very important to know how to play with this and understand how many items you want to find. So if your target is only 20 items, it should not be a problem at all. But once you look for hundreds or even thousands of products, it might be a problem. And then you will have to decrease the rating here. So for now, let's just leave it 4 stars. And then the bestseller ranking, right here, this filter, you could go for 15,000 or just leave it blank, like minimum 15,000. But I think in this example, I'm just going to leave it empty. And then you check, leave it on Prime only, checked. And then let's go here. So for sales, as a beginner for 30-day sale range, I would put a minimum of 5 sales. And let's move to the price filter right here. Selling price is a very useful filter because it can help you focus on specific types of items, just like the items that we talked about, the traffic items, the bread butter items, or even the high ticket items. But the thing is, when you're selling higher price items, most likely the profit will be higher. However, when you're getting started, you just have to be careful. You want to list items that will sell fast and sell a lot, and these are the traffic items. And they usually range from $2, as we talked before, to $20. Okay? And I suggest that out of the 300 items you should list in the first month, 20% should be traffic items and 80% should be bread and butter. So for this scan, we're looking for traffic items. So I'm going to leave here exactly 2 from 20. And then you can also filter by keywords that you're looking for. So for example, here, if you're looking for father gifts, you'll write father gifts. mother gifts, or if you're just looking for something for Christmas, you can just write Christmas gifts or for Christmas season or Christmas here. And to finish here, you have to pick up the amount of items you want to get into the results, right? So at this stage, the goal is to list 10 items per day. So I'll write 20 products here. I'm placing 20 instead of 10 so that we have a margin. So we filter out 0 items that might come up in the results. And then when you have everything ready, you just press scan. And then that's it, it's completed, found 20 products. You click here, check records, and then you see all the results down here. So because our goal here is to list 300 items per month, I suggest you to optimize the listings as much as possible. Titles, prices, descriptions, images, everything. For example, to optimize the title, I highly suggest you to copy the competitor title after you validate it and make sure it fits the product, and then there's no mistake, okay? And then you can use the title builder to upgrade the title with 1 or 2 new keywords, because the idea here is to ride on your competitor's success, but make it better with better keywords. And then after you have selected your products, you can select them here. You can upload selected or upload all, and then opens to your lister. You have the options here, marketplace. This is the store, the lister, and then you can click here, exclude Vero brands and exclude restricted keywords. And I also recommend using title source as the supplier. And then you click upload listings. Or you can simply export them as a CSV file and then also exclude Vero brands and restricted keywords. And then you export. For example, I'll show you here how it works. And these are here, and then you open the file and you have everything there for you. Let's go back here. Let's go over again, but this time we're going to search for items selling between $20 to $50 to maintain the healthy growth and profitable product portfolio. So let's go. The only thing you're going to do here, you're going to change the price, right? So 20 from $20 to $50, right? And this will be our bread and butter. Let's scan. It's already so quick, already showing results. And then you click here, and then you see the results again. And then you get all the information here. And again, if you want, you can select them all, upload to your lister, exclude Vero brands, exclude restricted items. It's the same thing. Now, the prices, as you can see here, the prices are different, and these products will be our bread and butter items. That's it. Let's go back to the camera. Cool. So the Turbo Scanner is available on the Enterprise plan in Zik Analytics. And right now we have 50% off the first month. So let me know what you think by commenting below, and stay tuned for more eBay automation videos that will come. And remember, all progress takes place outside your comfort zone. You know who said that? Michael and John Bobot. So keep moving forward and see you next time.